Hey, quick question. Two things. I would like to, how do you set up a PDF for one of the call to actions? So basically what I'm doing is I'm sending out video to realtors, because I have a whole list of California realtors. So I'm basically sending out a message and I'm doing a referral agreement and it's a PDF. So I'd like to add it to a call to action. And my next one is I'd like to get more information about the AI, how to set it up.
Yeah, sure. So, just want to show the PDF, and then I'll do the SEO part of it if you want.
Sure, sure. So just go to the calls to action section, then click the plus sign to add calls to action. Make sure to name this to keep it organized. Then the type would be document. So from
Okay.
here, yeah, choose the document. If it's a PDF file, I think the max size is 5 MB.
Hmm.
So yeah, make sure that it is 5 or less than that. Then
Okay.
yeah, there you can select the button text, then save.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So that's in the presets, right? That was in presets, right?
The asset section, assets, then calls to actions.
CTA.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, and then
Perfect.
for this one, for the see a sales assistant, right over here under assets, right here,
Hmm.
click here, and then sales assistants right here. Now,
Okay.
sales assistants is automatically part of the presets, like it's in there. You can
Okay.
turn it on or off, but when you want to set it up, just click here, and then
Hmm.
I have a few set up here. But all you do is hit the plus button, and it would open it. But I'll just open mine as an example.
Hmm.
Give it a name, and then just give it the resource links. The resource links, the reason we have multiples is because SIA can't click on sublinks. It can only do that page that you're saving. So that's
Okay.
why we have Dubb support, features, see all the different links we have.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
So whatever you want SIA to learn on that page, just have that one included in here so she can learn.
Okay.
And then below here, you can add your FAQs. You can do up to 20 of these down here.
Okay.
And then you have, what's the desired CTA? Do you want them to book a time with you? Do you want them to fill out a form? Whatever it is. And then SIA will answer the questions that the people ask, and they will push for that. Say, hey, did that answer your question? You can book a time with Rob when you're ready. You can
Okay.
also include email, whatever you want to capture. If you already have emails, you're not going to need that. Maybe you don't need the phone. Maybe you don't need any of this right here, but it's a
Hmm.
default to collect the emails. You can uncheck it if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Rob.
Yeah, you're very welcome.